Welcome to today's episode of Movie Reviews. The Malayalam film Manjamel Boys has now hit the screens. This is a survival thriller directed by Chidambaram. Let's see how it is. Set in 2006, a group of friends from Manjamel, a small village in Kerala, head to Kodaikanal for a trip. Their rival gang often go on trips and enjoy their lives to the fullest extent. Envied by this, the Manjamel boys embark on a journey to Kodaikanal and visit Guna cave there. During this visit, one of the friends falls into a deep pit which is also known as Devil's Kitchen. No one who fell into that gorge has come out alive. How the Manjamel boys saved their friend is what the film is about. Bringing real-life stories onto the silver screen isn't a piece of cake. In the case of survival thrillers like Manjamel Boys, it takes a mountain of conviction to present real-life scenarios in an appealing manner. Director Chidambaram delivers a gripping tale that revolves mainly around human emotions, with friendship taking the front seat. When one of the friends falls into the pit, we aren't shown those visuals in a detailed manner. But we will quiver in our seats when that scene is shown in the latter half. The fact that it happened in real life will make us have a lump in the throat. From the moment the friends reach Kodaikanal, the movie gains momentum. The way the childhood portions are linked to the main incident is superbly done, and this segment makes us connect with Subhash's character well. Kudos to the production design team for crafting such a stunning set piece, portions that happen inside the pit, which looks very realistic. The entire rescue operation will have us on the edge of our seats. This was possible due to the scintillating background score by Shusin Shyam and Shiju Khalid's extraordinary visuals. The placement of the lovely track, Priyathama Nivatha Kushalama, is sure to erupt the theatres. The best part is that the film doesn't end with the rescue operation, but it also showcases Subhash's post-trauma experience. Hence, Manjamel Boys scores brownie points for exploring this angle. Sobheen Shahir, Srinath Bhasi, Deepak Parambo, Khalid Rahman, and all others did a wonderful job. Manjamel Boys takes time to grow on us, and the initial sequences of the first half aren't engaging. The pacing is slow in the first half, and especially in the first 40 minutes, nothing much happens extraordinarily. The world building and character introductions could have been better presented. It is not that the initial moments are bad. In fact, they have a connection with the climax episode, but the way they are conceived isn't up to the mark. Also, it gives a feeling that the movie is stretched. The film has a simple story, and hence, it isn't a big deal to guess what happens at the end. The predictability factor slightly affects the experience. The director didn't try to dramatize the real events, and hence, a few scenes could be underwhelming for a few. Ajjan Kalisari's production design, Shijin Hutton and Abhishek Nair's sound design, Shusin Shyam's background score, and Shiju Khalid's cinematography infuse life into this well-crafted survival thriller. The editing is good in the second half, while it could have been a little better in the initial hour. Chidambaram's direction is good and he also delivered on the emotional front. The way Chidambaram envisioned the whole incident and presented it on the big screen is commendable. Also, the film is a tribute to the legendary Kamal Hassan's Guna and the beautiful Priyathama track. However, the first hour isn't great, and this is one aspect where the film needed betterment. On the whole, Manjamel Boys is an impressive survival thriller that is high on emotions, too. The second half is highly engaging, and the whole rescue operation and the manner in which it is shot are sure to leave us spellbound. Shubin Shahir, Srinath Bhasi, Deepak Parambol, and all others did a very fine job. On the flip side, the first half isn't very engaging, and the pacing here is slow. Also, there is a bit of predictability factor as the climax approaches. The movie is solid technically, and hence, it deserves a theatrical experience. Recommended.